demonstrated that everyone around the world, that Floridians care about each other. We have each other's backs. We're proud to call Florida home, and nothing will change that. Well, I know we have done everything we could to prepare for the storm. We can never do enough. I've learned from other governors and people.
So this Hurricane Irma, it was a Category 5. At the moment, it's a Category 4, so it's pretty serious for us. We're us Floridians. We like to stay put. We're like really tough people. We're like cockroaches. Pretty much, my parents didn't want to leave the house, so we're gonna stay and fight. See, my house is all boarded up right now. I also have shutters all around, and the truck is ready to go in case of anything. I also got the Prelude here. The two other 370Zs are currently in a parking garage like 10 minutes from my house. Happy to say at least my 370Zs are safe. In my area, I'm in Zone A, which is the most dangerous at the moment for Miami-Dade County because we might have a storm surge. Pretty much, you get severe flooding, kind of like what happened in Houston, I think. The wind starts to get a little violent. Already had a banana tree that came down this morning. Alright, so it's Sunday, 4 p.m. The storm probably just passed us. Now it's just like tropical storm winds and stuff. The whole storm missed us and went more to the west side of Florida, and we got spared from getting hit by a Category 5, which is good, but not so good for the west side of Florida, sorry to say. The Prelude looks good. They both look good. There's a curfew out. We're not supposed to be out. Gotta be careful for falling power lines too. Damn. Holy shit, that's not good. Damn, dude, look at this tree. What the f? It's usually like really beautiful. Everything's boarded up. Morning. Yo, and to think that all this was just from like tropical storms, if not Category 1 winds. So you can only imagine what people go through when they get hit by a 5. And this is fallen trees and branches and stuff. So it gets like mad crazy. That's why you gotta take hurricanes serious, guys. You gotta prepare, you gotta be ready. Look at Winn-Dixie. It's mad slippery. We made it to the parking garage to pick up our cars, and look what I found. Yo, I parked on like the 9th floor just to make sure my babies are safe. Yes! What? What? A little dirty in the back, but perfect, bro. Thank you.
I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me telling me where I went wrong.
Yo, like I legit can't get home because all the streets are blocked. This is like becoming a nuisance. Check this out. This whole street is blocked by trees. There's just no entrance, exit, nothing. So this is our beautiful city hall. Man, look at all the trash the ocean brought in.
Oh man, it smells like a dying cat.
So it smells like straight sewage water, and that whole underground parking lot was filled with water. Fucking RIP the sailboat, dude. So there's like 2 more yachts over there. Let's go. This used to be the entrance to a park, Kennedy Park. Wow! That shit just turned into mud.
What's gonna happen?
What about over there? That looks more. That looks more green.
Dude, it smells like hamster shit. Dude, it's gonna happen again.
Nah, it's not gonna happen again. This way's grass. Trust me.
Bro, you're eating dick.
Trust me. This is grass. See? Grass. Grass. You just gotta watch out when it gets like moist. These bags.
Hold on to your brother, dear.
They just don't let go. Yeah, it smells like oil, like really bad. This just proves that this was filled with water. Look at these benches. Nah, breeze feels nice though.
From like a foot out from this part, then there's like another like 10, 11 feet.
You're gonna try it.
What? Dude, I'm the king.
Alright, relax. Relax. Relax.
It's all about the shot, bro. Wow. So the piece I'm standing on used to be here. Where's your home at, my bro?